Keeping your brain busy is very important. Staying busy helps us focus on the here and now, and distracts us from our worries. One way to help keep your brain busy is using good apps. Why is it important to engage your brain? Apps, which might range from solving puzzles to learning new languages, could make a big difference to your day-to-day life. Learning a new thing every day improves the brain's ability to absorb new information. Regularly playing puzzles and completing crosswords or word-based games actually improves brain function. Playing a brain training game helped improve cognitive function and memory in a group of young adults. Using those kind of apps can calm the mind and support body health through positive influences on blood pressure and levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Now watch and find out which apps can help your brain stay busy. Here we are going to tell you 5 best apps to keep your brain busy. And before I start, I want to tell you this is not a sponsored video, it is just for information. Number 1. Duolingo. Duolingo can be a great app for anyone who's ever wanted to learn another language. The app offers bite-sized lessons in more than 35 languages, featuring mini games and a community of more than 300 million users. Duolingo is a great starting place and language practice tool to have when first encountering a new language. Reviewers suggest that Duolingo is a good way to start learning a new language, or to refresh your knowledge. The app is free to use. A paid subscription will get you access to more features. Number 2. Words with Friends. Words with Friends can help you build your vocabulary while playing and connecting with friends and strangers. And it has 50 million plus downloads. Reviewers note that using Words with Friends has helped make their brains feel sharper and even expand their vocabulary, but some reviewers warn that the chat feature is sometimes misused. And sometimes it will help you to make new friends, and have gotten closer to old friends through the games. The basic game is free but offers in-app purchases and add-ons. Number 3. Lumosity. Lumosity claims it will help users improve memory, increase focus, and feel sharper with its daily brain training exercises. The app is suitable for anyone of any age or ability level, and will even adapt to your strengths and weaknesses. One reviewer felt they'd realized positive results in 2 weeks, while another revealed that the app had helped with their focus, processing speed, math calculations, memory, mental agility, and flexibility. User reviews suggest that Lumosity helps with concentration, mindfulness, and cognitive ability. The app's basic subscription is free. It allows users to play 3 brain games per day. Standard monthly subscriptions start at $11.99. Number 4. Forest. Forest is a productivity app, or a phone game with a purpose. Users create their own forests, literally watching their healthy habits grow. User reviews suggest that people who enjoy decorating games will enjoy using Forest to set themselves new targets and routines, which could be particularly helpful to spend free time. The app costs $1.99, and optional in-app purchases are available. Number 5. House Party. House Party, the video calling app, allows friends to meet up to virtually play games, hang out, and socialize while abiding by physical distancing regulations in pandemic. Basically, if you're missing your friends, and the only thing that will help is speaking with them, House Party will help you a lot. The app is free to use, but some in-app purchases are available. If you have nothing to do, or have much time, and want to make yourself and your brain busy, then these apps will help you a lot. Whether you're a fan of games, or hope to learn a new skill such as meditation, or another language, now is the perfect time to invest in your brain health. Chose the app you like and enjoy your life.